This is so my color. Achoo! Watch where you sneeze, weirdo. Let's go inside. What's in there anyway? So heavy! Wait! Not a secret passageway! Me first! So cool! Space, please. Wow, it's pretty. Neat! Oh my gosh! Ugh! That'll leave a mark. So embarrassing. But check out all this free stuff! Look! A real cardboard box! Yep, it's transformation time. And I've got a very good idea. A big one! See? Good thing I've got lots of tape. Just one more piece here. There. That was rough, but totally worth it. But that color… Wait. I can just use this thing. Well, a few more than this. Now we're talking. Hey, look. Should I? Hey, these are just perfect! I love it! Not bad, I guess. I need a house of my own. Yes, a house stacked. Help me! Yes, I need you too. I'm calling them right now. Alrighty. Hey, this way. Jeez.
Sorry, lady.
Are you?
It's for you.
I'm not touching those. Hey!
Just give me an hour, alright?
Oh, is that necessary?
There, just about finished.
Wow.
Welcome home.
I suppose you want to get paid. Is this enough?
Looks good to me.
Wow, that was hard work. But I'm not done. Wow, a money house! Doesn't it look expensive? And it's all mine. Huh? Come here, honey. Just build it over there, okay? And I want it super fancy. Got it? Are you almost done? I don't know. It looks cheap. I hate it. How about a little gold?
Wow! A real gold brick? Unbelievable!
No. Melt it.
What? But why? That's criminal! I can't believe I'm doing this. I could have been rich, but that will never be. Here it goes. Liquid gold. It sure is pretty, though. Just look at that shine. She definitely has expensive taste.
You're done? Oh, it's magnificent! But it could still use something else.
Wait, I got you. Pink. Here it comes.
Oh, it's so cute! Yay!
Feeling the love, and it's all yours.
A little to the left.
It's perfection. Well…
You earned yourself some gold.
Wow!
Maybe just the one.
Spectacular! Thank you!
So cheap. Just look at all this. And to make it look even more expensive, more gold, baby. Yay! It's perfect. Wait, what about mine? Hello, over here. Whatever. This thing could use a little fresh air. Wait for it. There! A window. Nice. Hey, what's this? It's just the right size, I think. Only one way to find out. Yep. But I ain't done yet. Some outlining makes it nice and bold. Just a tad more. All done. Isn't it great? Hey, you guys! $500 bills? Gross! No way! 1, 2, 3. Fine. Let me think. What's this? A little tube? No, a really big tube. Perfect for a window. Cute, right? Hello out there! This is nice. Come see. I'm a little busy at the moment. Whatever. Help, please? You need me? Ugh. Okay. Lift this with me. Got it? Set it here. Oh, I'm sweating. So not cool. Just a bit further, come on. That's all I need. Bye. Oh, so ungrateful. How hard could this be? You good? Just give me a minute. Ta-da! Isn't it to die for? Soft, too. All done. Hope you like pink. It's not that great. It's better than yours. How dare you! I'll show you who's better! Ah! My pearls! Too bad, so sad. What's going on out there? Hey! Stop! Stop! Hey! Get out! Okay. Help! We're doomed! I found light! Come on, this way! Move! Wait! Over there! I don't know about this. Should I? Oh, thank goodness. Ugh! Out of my way. Whatever. This is much better. What a relief. Wait! I have an idea! Craft time! But first, I need the right shape. There we go. Check them out. All they need is a little color. Okay, lots of color. Let there be light. Just string them on and you're good to go. So festive, am I right? And I didn't spend a penny. You hear that? Is that supposed to be innovative? I'll show her some bright thinking. Not sure what to do with this. Something better, please? Wow, now we're talking. Nothing shines quite like gold. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Oh yeah. I want them all. Ta-da! But I'm not quite done yet. Never underestimate the details. And just like that, it's ready to hang. Shine bright, baby! It really brightens up the bills, don't you think? It's mediocre at best. I prefer something a little richer. Like these. And yes, they're real. And already on a string. Classy is so the vibe here. And what's classier than real pearls? Isn't it just fantastic? Yay! It's so magical! I'm liking it here. Nice work! How am I supposed to get mail? Let me see. Choices. Definitely not. Hey, that's adorable. Is it here? Oh my! It's really here! And to make it better, some ruby red sparkle, of course. So lovely. Who has plain mailboxes anyway? Super fab. I just have to post this. That dinky thing. Enter opulence. Next. No thanks. Now that's interesting. Hi.
Good day, miss.
Excuse me. What about your payment? Hello? It's not done.
Of course. I forgot the most important part.
Wow. Wait. Where did he go? I'm on my own? No way. It's giving mega rich. Wait. Right. All done. Say wealthy. That's super nice. Maybe I can go shopping too. Or maybe not. See what I mean? Useless. Unless… I'm no stranger to getting creative. Pencil, please. Let's giraffe this bad boy. I'm seeing it. Time to make it real, folks. See what I mean? And just like that, I have a mailbox. No shopping apps, no problem. Yay! Look! I made this! Good job! For a peasant. What's that? Hide! I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh! Good heavens! What's going on in here? Ooh!
We're doomed!
Little houses? Interesting.
Hey, I think we can come out now. That was really close. Hey, I have mail. What is it? Oh no, the exam! Today? Alrighty. I got one too. Bummer. An exam? Piece of cake. I always go to class prepared. Notebooks, assemble. Wow! Look at her go! Ah, I got this! Come on, Tears! I'm gonna head out. Wait, can you take the test for us? Please? Okay. I'll help you. Let's go, we're gonna be late. Wow, a real birthday cake! It's giving rotten trash! Wanna do the thing? You're brilliant! Hey, he's here! He's gonna love this! That's what you think.
Oopsies. Not my hair!
Ugh! My cake!
Are you alright?
As a matter of fact, we're not! Happy birthday to me! Why is this happening to me? This party doesn't know what's coming to it. The party queen is on her way. Ugh, why isn't this working? Wait a second. Hair gel? Things are finally looking up. Or at least nice and flat. It's getting sleek and chic. But I can still step it up a notch. Cute little curls, anyone? Bet you've never seen hair like this before. Especially when you bring in the gold. The more expensive this looks, the better. See that sparkle? Good as gold, baby! But when it comes to sparkle, why limit yourself? Let's bejewel it up. Pink pearls for the win! Let's give it a look, shall we? Hello, expensive! Love it! Now bring on the likes. What? I'll never look like that. But I want to go to the party. Not with this tangled mess. Is there anything I can wear? Or rather, anything I can make? I forgot I have a waffle in here. Sweet! Ugh, I spoke too soon. But maybe I can use this. A little heat goes a long way. Oh, silky smooth, baby! Can't forget the other side. Could you imagine? Amazing! Who needs a fancy salon, right? But it could use a little something. Let's see. Bingo! Check this out. Cuteness! Check me out, world! Hello! Is that for me? No way! I aced it?!
You earned yourself a phone!
My very own smartphone?! What are you smiling about? Seriously?
Young lady, your turn.
My test? I'm sure I did great. Well… Isn't this supposed to be an A?
Take a seat.
I can't believe this. Yeah, me neither. I always get what I want. And I want an A, baby. I think there's been a mistake. Can I have my phone now?
I suppose you can.
Thank you. Looky look. How did you land that? I'm smart too. Hey, there's no phone in here. Nope. Why?
Nobody cheats in my classroom. Any other cheaters in here? That's what I thought. Huh!
Oh my. Poor guy.
That was unfortunate. And rather embarrassing.
A solution to this problem. Our teacher needs a pen. Then I'll make him a pen. Good thing I've got lots of glue. Just wait till you see this thing. It'll be better than some old boring plastic pen. Everyone's gonna want one of these. Just a couple more little steps. And it's all love, folks. This guy goes on the tippy top. And I'm not quite done yet. It may look funky, but it's about to get so good! Wait for it! Wait… Boom, baby! The cutest! You just made that? Huh, two can play that game. Yes! I can create something cool too. And way prettier. Anything with glitter is better. But that's not even the best part. Bring on the beads! Super adorable! Don't you agree? But wait! A poof! Isn't it fabulous? Plus, a cute little bear. Ta-da! The cutest pet on earth for sure. You think yours is better? We'll see. Teacher! Whose pen is better?
Stop! Let me see this. And this one? Hold on. It's simply delightful.
Told ya.
And this one? Very nice.
I made that one.
Wow, I love it. They're both wonderful. Thank you.
He still likes mine better. No way! Get back here! These school supplies stink. A folder? Yeah. Whatever. It's old. Looks pretty cool to me. These colors are so blah. Yellow! I can work with these. It'll just take a little creative thinking. Buckle up for this one, people. Things are getting crafty up in here. Mini notebook, anyone? Bound by glue. See? But I'm not quite done yet. They say never judge a book by its cover. But this one is gonna be pretty cute. No judgment, of course. So tiny. And to make the pieces easy to wrap, cuts at each corner. See? Perfectly sticky. And the other side? Looks like a book now, see? What's a book without pages? And some cute stickers. All done! Ugh, this gold is so boring. But perhaps I can fix that. It's all in the wrist. Easy. And there. Gold slices, baby. Like cheese, but even better. And way more expensive, obviously. What's this, you ask? The perfect stencil, of course. Now I can make the straightest lines. Perfect for my favorite list. All the kinds of wealth I have. And spoiler, it's a lot. I'm rich too. Wow. And creativity, that is. We're here!
Wait, you know what day it is?
A food fair?
Well, get to work, you two.
Yes! You heard him. I'm so unprepared for this. I'm always prepared thanks to this thing. Already? Aren't you a doll? Don't worry. I'll take care of you. This is enough, isn't it? Yay! This is great! She ordered food? There's gotta be something on here. Oh! What you holding there? Wait, you want payment first? I'm on empty.
Forget about it.
Aw, man. Now what am I gonna do? Care to share? Hey! Excuse me. Can I? I can smell your desperation. Just take this, okay? Wow! Nothing quite like fresh strawberries. Milk, too. Oh, yeah. Extra creamy, please. Strawberry milk, anyone? But to make it even better, let's freeze this amazingness. Super chill, if you ask me. Snug as a bug in a rug. Let's get shaken. And the end result? Prepare to be amazed. I'm talking to you, taste buds. Wow, easy on the nose, too. Now what? Hey, you made that? I'd better get cooking then. Wait till you see what I can whip up. Just like my chef makes at home. Can you believe it? Just smashing, baby. Literally. This is actually pretty fun. Cookies and cream indeed. And so smooth. And chill. Freezing perfection. I'll even get it ready to go. Let's rock and roll. Bet you didn't see that coming. And when you add whipped cream into the mix, true perfection. Cookie perfection.
Well. Let's taste these, shall we?
Well, what do you think?
Oh, goodness me. Your turn. What a lovely color. How delicious. And the winner is… cookies or strawberry cream?
I win! Awesome! Oh, so unfair. Makes sense to me. Are you crying? I know what it's like to lose. Here. That's actually kinda nice. We're in this together.